The Pixel Watch is actually the most interesting product of Google's lineup this year. And somebody managed to get their hands on a Pixel Watch early and post it on Reddit. So this is the first unboxing photos, let's call it, of the Pixel Watch. And it'll come with a variety of different bands if you're asking. Some of them recently also leaked. I've covered them already, like leather bands or even the fabric style band that will come in orange, green or black colors. Even though in this leak, we can see the polished silver stainless steel case and the active band in charcoal color, but there are going to be a ton more colors too, like white and even black. And the Pixel Watch will also come in different colors, like a hazel color, which is the rose gold color, and also obsidian, the jet black color. Now the jet black color might be very exclusive to certain markets. And also on top of that, we also have a pricing leak. Well, one of the smartwatch writers actually said that they were able to pre-order a Pixel Watch Wi-Fi from Amazon Germany for about €357, which is $349. Now the wearable also has an October 13th release date in the region, so you guessed it, right? Now as a reminder, the European prices include VAT, so the prices are way too much more than the US pricing. So you can expect $299 a price tag in the US. But that's probably it. Now, if you look at the competition, then it's more clear. Like the Apple Watch SE2 starts at €299 over there, and Apple Watch Series 8 is also about €499 or €529 depending on their size. So you get it, right? So it will be about $299 in the US. Now, as for the unboxing, as we can see, the unboxing is pretty simple, but it is also very Google and very unique to them because it's not like the Apple Watches or Samsung Galaxy Watches boxes. It's a little too different. It's a little square. But the watch bands, if you buy separately, they will come in a box that will look almost like an Apple Watch series box. So that's actually good. Now, as for the watch faces, we have already seen tons of watch faces and some of them actually look real dope. And most of them even has a look of an Android 13. So this watch will definitely go really well with your Pixel device. Also recently, we saw a leaked Google's promotional video that shows the ECG functionality or even the calling functionality of the Google Pixel Watch. Plus, it will have the GPS functionality as well as Health by Fitbit logo. And that simply means, or also on the box you can see the Fitbit logo, so that simply means the health part of the Google Pixel Watch is directly coming from Fitbit, and that's the best part about this watch. And if you don't know, recently we also got to know that the Pixel Watch will pair with the Pixel 7 Pro and the 7, also the Pixel devices, pretty easily and seamlessly, just like the Apple Watches or even Galaxy Watches. And this is an amazing experience gonna be. And also we can see in one video that the bezels are quite a bit thicker, but because from the angle it is captured, it's not properly visible because the watch is pretty curvy, not a flat watch. Other than that, this watch is actually very premium looking, also very minimal looking. And if you want to know more about the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, then definitely check out my recent video on that. And before the outro, here's one big important thing. Trust me, this is the best freaking wallpaper pack I have ever created. This is the Agate Series 3 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack has 18 super high resolution 8K wallpapers custom made for your tablets, laptops, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to check out, or simply visit my website johndavid.com for a lot more than these wallpapers, tech news, and so many stuffs. So yeah, definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.